What if calling Dataverse messages, even a complex custom API, required no boilerplate code at all? Just create a class, add an attribute, hit a little light bulb, and instantly get a fully typed request or response generated for you. Hey everyone, it's Reza. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to call a custom API from a plugin, both of which we built in previous videos. I'll leave links to those videos down in the description. Now let's start with our plugin. This is the same Hello World plugin we built previously. It's not doing much, it's just doing a tracing in the beginning, and it's setting the description of the account to a greeting message. But we're going to extend it to also call a custom API. Normally, to call a custom API, you need to build the request type and the response type either manually or through some kind of tooling outside of Visual Studio. But this time we're doing it differently. I'm going to create a folder first. Let's call it messages, and it will contain all the messages that we will build. Now let's add just a simple class. For example, we call it suggest follow up request. All right. Now I'm going to add request proxy attribute to it. This attribute comes from Microsoft XRM SDK, and you need to provide the name of the message that you are going to call. So I just remember there was something with suggest in the name, suggest next follow-up, that's the one. Okay, now it's not a light bulb, but it's a screwdriver in here. I'm going to click, and then I will select fix request based on Dataverse metadata. So you can see here a preview is also displayed. Let's click. And now we have our request in here. And you can see it has all the input parameters in the right way. I will just save this one. Let's also remove all the unnecessary namespaces that we don't need. Let's now add another one. This one we call suggest follow up response. And we will add response proxy to this one. And again, suggest follow up is the message that we're going to call. And now we click. This time fix response based on Dataverse metadata. It's very similar to the other one. Let's click. And a little bit of cleanup in here to remove unnecessary usings. And that's about it. Now we can use these types in our plugin. All right, let's add another line in here. I'm going to call these messages in here, but before doing that, I'm going to add another column to our plugin. I don't exactly remember the name. It's again with suggest follow up. All right, that's it. Okay, now we will save to have that in our target. And let's do it this way. We will create a request first. We call it suggest follow up. And we're going to create a new instance of suggest follow up request. And the only thing I'm going to pass to it is a reference to our account, just like that. And now we can use the same organization service that we have here. To execute our request, and it will give us back a response, which we're going to store in here. Let's also cast it to the right type. And now we can set our target's suggested follow update to our suggestion dot, it's the first one, suggested follow update. And that's it. We can now deploy our project to Dataverse. Tell me what you think, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.